of different animals. Sounds of animals and birds. Lions roar. Elephants trumpet. Cows moo. Goats bleat. Mouse squeak. Dogs bark. Cats meow. Camels grunt. Horses neigh. Birds chirp. Donkey bray. Crows caw. Activity zone. Turn to page 107 of your book and paste the pictures of mentioned animals. Make animal masks. With the help of your art teacher or parents, make masks of animals you like the most.